Parallel and perpendicular lines. We are starting to talk about this idea in the last problem. What can you say about parallel lines? Most students want to start off with they never intersect. And that's true. What can we say about them in terms of their equations? They have, if they're parallel lines, they have the same slope. Or in other words, M1 equals M2. What can we say if they're perpendicular? These intersect at right angles, which is 90 degrees. They are opposite in sign and reciprocal. So we change the sign, we flip the fraction. So if one fraction is, or one is M1, then the other one is opposite and reciprocal, negative, so M2 will equal negative 1 over M1. If we take a look at this and we multiply both sides by M1, we get the statement that M1 times M2, let me just put this so there's no confusion about that, equals negative 1. Either way, you can say opposite and reciprocal, or you could say multiply the two together and you get negative 1. Determine which equations have parallel graphs and which have perpendicular graphs. So what we need to do is find out what their slopes are. Let's take the equations and solve it for y. We'll have 3y equals negative 5x minus 5. Divide by 3. We'll have negative 5/3 x minus 5/3. So our slope here is negative 5 over 3. On this one, it's already solved for us. We don't need to do anything. Negative 3/5. Over here, we need to divide by the 10. So we have negative 6 over 10, which will be negative 3 over 5, x minus 7 over 10. And we'll get m equals negative 3 over 5. And looking at this, we can see B is parallel to C because they have the exact same. Is A perpendicular to B and C? When I'm looking at these fractions, they're reciprocals. They have been flipped. But since they are not opposite signs, no, the A is not perpendicular to either one of those. So the only thing we can say in this problem is B is parallel to C, and that's it.